collection was the time that is continuing. That's why we use the circle a lot in the collection to illustrate that time that is continuing, and then we start to calculate the time, and the time is running. So we have some vertical lines like the panels or the threads that are illustrating that time running. And I think it's
so we play a lot with the geometric form like circles, and from the circle we introduce some fringes. We introduce some how do you say that, the panels and texture. We introduce plastic to have a feeling of a futuristic 60s. We talk about marijuana. We talk about Vidal Sassoon, and then
we love silk, but we wanted to bring something more modern, so we use some technical fabrics as well, and also the plastic that we introduced this time. Kao was always pushing to use plastic before.
I like the idea of mixing luxury fabric with something that doesn't relate it together. So I think plastic and silk make it very modern.
But still that time that is continuing, so it's really a moment where we can appreciate that slow time, and even the models were walking slowly.
And also, especially this season, we said we wanted one emotion. We don't want mixed emotion. It's only one emotion from start to the end. So I think it worked. Yeah.
Right now we're getting the girls ready into hair and makeup and improving the final looks, and we had a great rehearsal, and I think we're looking forward to a really hot show. I think the emotion is really to be soft, and I think to create some fantasy. I think be a little bit more daring with the collection.
Any specific look you're going for other than soft, like with the girls, like their makeup?
I think we're looking for something that's definitely modern, almost alien, but classic.
What do you think of this makeup? It's pretty wild.
Yeah, I definitely think it's something edgy that'll definitely bring out the fashion and something different to the show. I definitely get referred to an alien, but I think that's different and can be cool, right? I feel really excited about the show. The colors are amazing, the designs, there's a lot of color blocking, so it's definitely something to look forward to.